I'm Charlie Hurburgh, Professor of Agricultural Engineering and the manager of the Grain Quality Initiative. I'd like to talk a little bit about food safety programming at Iowa State. Food safety has come into a lot of interest lately, all the way from food recalls like the romaine lettuce that you may have just heard about, to feed safety, to animal feed safety, to microorganisms and toxicology, to managing produce in fields and local farms. Food safety has increased in its importance lately because of the passage of the Food Safety Modernization Act, which was a really quite integrated program established by Congress to bring all the segments of the U.S. food system together, whether they be animal or human or produce. At Iowa State, we have representation in all of those areas. And this kind of shows you the gamut of programming that we have from the human food and process assistance programs of the Food Science Department and of CIRRUS, to my area, which is animal science and animal feed manufacturing, to produce and assistance for local farms in preparing for compliance with the FSMA rule. Just to go through these areas briefly, produce is a highly growing area of interest because of the interest in local foods, and you can see on the screen there the large range of training. FSMA requires training. That's basically the outcome of the FSMA rule is training across the board, and there is training required for producers of produce, for producers of human foods. These are more likely the larger companies. Iowa's very much a leading area in food processing, and you can see the gamut of activities from meat lab to classroom instruction. We teach the human food preventive controls course. And finally, my area of animal food safety, which has to do again with training people in the correct application of FSMA and certifying them as preventive controls individual, to training elevator managers and others and feed mill operators in the proper methods to maintain grain to prevent food safety problems. And we provide a lot of technical assistance to the industry in that way. Food safety expertise at Iowa State is really quite wide-ranging. There's no one area, because of the wide coverage of food safety, there's no one area that basically can claim we are food safety at Iowa State. You can see up here the list of disciplines. At last count, and I think we have a list posted on our website at the Grain Quality Initiative, but at last count there were over 50 ISU faculty and staff involved in some way in food safety training, food safety research, or a combination thereof. Our goal is to be able to have something for everyone, and that no one with a food safety issue or a compliance issue should have to go beyond Iowa State to at least get themselves started down the path of improving their situation and also complying with the recent Food Safety Modernization Act. So thank you. I hope this was helpful for you.